Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to see search history on Threads. First of all, you can open the Threads application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply see the search option at the bottom left corner of the screen that is next to the home button. Tap on it, and now you can tap on search at the top of the screen. Now you can see your search history here in the recents. You can just simply tap on cross to clear your search history, and this is the way you can clear and see search history on Threads. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Code questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.